Yeah, this definitely smells like pineapple candy. Pineapple candy. No, see? This is charisma powder, my favorite. Yeah, it smells like candy. It smells really strong like candy. And it smells amazing. Makes my mouth water, China. I found it at Walmart, walmart.com. And you know, it was so super fast because I ordered it and then it was there the next day. Hi, Shasha. Hello, hello. Yeah, of course. I'm telling you guys, I am not a gatekeeper. If I can find... Okay, let's squeeze. Some of the powders are soft. Thank you, Sponge Mommy. Thank you. Yeah. I'll go check today. I go back tomorrow, Meg. If we go shopping today, oh, that one's so cool. If we go shopping today, I'll squeeze anything that I find tonight. But yeah, I go back tomorrow. Just to show you guys. That's awesome. Thank you so much, Sponge Mommy. Thank you for sharing. I appreciate that. Aww, Hella. You guys, I have never noticed this before, but I think that the charisma powder is like light yellow. You guys, well, it looks white on the screen, but in the sink, I think it's light yellow. I always thought it was white. Where do you live, Miss Squeezy? Yeah, I didn't know that, Crystal. I like it. It looks like a highlighter when the other powders fall off of it. So pretty. Oh, New Orleans. I've never been there. Okay, now it's getting thicker. Thank you, Natasha. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, I've never been to Northern California. Southern, born, raised. Northern, nope. Hi, Danny. Happy holidays to you too, sweetie pie. Happy, happy holidays. Oof, this was a good amount of powder. If anything, for sure, I'm gonna go try to find some more charisma powder today. For sure, my fave. It does. It's deep, man. My sink at home is deep. It's an interesting thing. What made you move out there? Yeah, that's what I've been trying to like Google is the local stores. Guys, this is so nice. It's like fluffy. It's like getting pasty, but a fluffy paste. Fluffy paste. Okay, let's put some more powder. I am in Riverside, San Bernardino, Southern California, Fontana. Like those are the places that I've gone to look for soups. Anaheim. Thank you, MJ. Because if not this trip, then next trip for sure. I'll book our Airbnb out there just to get the good stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yeah, because I drove the small car because it's best on gas. Because I thought that gas would be really expensive here. But, oh well. I know you, Ella. For sure. And I have that big old container to save it in. Oh, yes. Oh, wrong side. Roma Marcel. Yeah, I'm gonna save it in the big container. Put that big old lid back on. It's hard to get off. Ooh, squish. Can you guys hear the fan on at all? Should I turn it off? Thank you, Leon. Yeah, dude, that's what. Ooh, I'm gonna sneeze, you guys. I gotta sneeze. Yeah, I don't know how to turn that one off. I know how to turn the ones off in the bedroom. That's like a little remote. Sure. And we have a, oh, it's okay, Z. It's actually, I could open the window right here in front of me. That would make more sense anyway. Oh, Ari, I forgot, sorry. None of that today. Here, should I put the panelin in now? Some liquid in there. We still got 3 big charisma bags going in here, and Roma and Foca, and we have a box of baking soda going in here. Get it a little liquidy. Yeah, we have our green container overload after this one. Green. This one actually looked green now, huh? After we put the solos in. Thank you, Leanne. Thank you. She just tells you guys all the stuff that I forget to tell you. Appreciate you, honey. Okay, let's see here. This is getting thick. I was thinking about getting yellow dish soap when I was at the store, and I was like, we have 5 gallons of dish soap, so maybe dish soap would not be a hit. So then I just got laundry detergent. I got the Charisma laundry detergent, and it's yellow, so we could do the cans and the green container one. We could leave this one as laundry and then put the cans in the green container. Overload. This was the blue container, and next we're gonna do the green container. I figured one could be like a laundry, and then one could be powder, because we love powder. Could be powder and laundry, actually. Powder, laundry, and baking soda. You think? You think, friends? Ooh, it's getting purple. Yeah, when you stir the Trix yogurt, this is what it looks like. If anybody wants to try some, go to your local grocery store and try it. Sometimes it feels like there's too many sponges in here. Thank you, Layla. You know what, guys? After my last live, I don't know what the heck happened. I think I was dehydrated, and my arm hurt so bad after the live, like when I was going to bed, and I couldn't sleep. I had to get up, get ibuprofen. It was weird. I think I'm just getting old. It almost looks edible though, you guys. I'm falling apart, Jimmy. I'm glad, Hella. Cervical issues? What does that mean, Kayla? Is that in your arm? I don't know. It's just my one. Down. I've been trying to tell my kids, let's go to Grandma and Grandpa's house for longer, because she has the best comfortable chairs. And here in the Airbnb, have you guys ever noticed in Airbnbs the furniture's not comfortable at all? It is not comfortable at all. Ari, how was your trip? You're traveling. You are my fantastic genie. Oh, cervical is your neck. Oh, well, thank you, Kayla. I was like, I don't even want to tell you guys what I thought it was. You guys might unfollow me if you would have been like, she is so dumb. You guys, this still smells like the pineapple. That pineapple smells strong. Oh, you were, Dee Dee? Okay, good. about something else? Christmas Womack. Yeah, I'm gonna save it. Well, I probably won't be able to save all of it, but I'm gonna save as much as I can in the container, that big container. Yes, Dee Dee, good. Oh, good squeezy. Oh man. Okay, I love you guys. Mimu, that's what I was thinking. That is what I was thinking. I was like, oh man, that affects your arm? What's the world coming to? What do you guys think? Should we put we have 3 more charismas, aroma, foca, and a baking soda. Should we save this one and start over? Or should we put those ones in? Is M's in here? M's legit? My girl? Put them in here. Save. Because for the other one, we have the 36 cans. We have some baking soda. Add to this? Okay, we'll keep adding to this then.